Hey guys, it's Alice. Welcome back to my channel. Happy holidays. Hope you're all having an absolutely amazing December and holiday season so far. I'm feeling festive as fuck, as you can tell, and I wanted to create this really over-the-top, extra Christmassy glam look featuring the two-tone thing that I've done a few times during Halloween and stuff. But yeah, you know, I wanted to incorporate the iconic red and green Christmas colors paired with a dark metallic green lip, but you could easily pair this with like a nude or a gloss, or like, you know, a red would be cute. Yeah, this is what we're doing today. Let me know what you guys think of my insane backdrop. I just set this up and I think it's so freaking cute. Like, you're probably like, wait, you like Christmas? What? I'm that bitch. I love Christmas. Not religious at all, you know, but yeah, I just really like the festive like shit and the lights and the red and green and the family gatherings and the shopping. Give me a theme, bitch, and you know I will take it there. So we're going to be creating this look today. If you want to hang out and see how it goes down, then let's fucking do it. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do, because I always do my lips last, I'm just going to pop some gloss on right now so they can stay moist and look cute. This is by Pacifica. It's called the Crystal Punk Holographic Mineral Lip Gloss. And normally I wouldn't pick something like this up. I got this in PR, but I actually really like it. It smells amazing. And it just gives your lips like a little bit of color, a little holographic zhuzh, and it's a really thick gloss. So there's like, you know how there's different kinds of glosses? Sometimes there's like that really lightweight gloss where you lick your lips and like it's gone. This kind, you can lick your lips and it'll stay put. It's nice. Anyway, moving on. I'm gonna spritz my face with this really quick. This is the Urban Decay Quick Fix Hydro-Charged Complexion Prep Priming Spray. So coconut water just moisturizes. And we'll let that soak in while we do eyes. I'm just gonna prime my eyes with Tarte Shape Tape real quick. I've been putting this shit on the under portion of my eyes too. I don't know if it works super well, but yeah, just kind of experimenting, because sometimes shadows just like don't stick to the lower portion of my freaking eyes, man. Next, we need a nice green shade. So I've been kind of going through like all of my eyeshadow palettes, looking for the exact shade of green that I want, because actually green eyeshadows, it's not something that I really have like readily on hand. So I know that there's this one here from Kat Von D Metal Matte, this one from the NYX Ultimate Brights. What I really wish I had was a deep green liquid lipstick. That would be perfect. I really love using liquid lipsticks on my eyes. I just got this insane PR package from Rimmel. Look at all of these. Look at this shit. You guys have seen me use the Spice Magnifies palette, and I really like it. And they have a bunch of different other versions apparently. So let's see. Magnifies Color Edition, which has a nice green right there, and then the Jewel Rocks Edition, and that green looks kind of cute. So I don't know, we've got some good options here. This is a magnetic box and my tweezers stuck to it. And then as for red eyeshadows, I have no shortage of red eyeshadows. We've got the Blood Sugar, we've got Lime Crime Venus, we've got a red in this palette. I'm a sucker for red eyeshadows. Oh yeah, and then we have this cute little lime green here. So I'm like getting overwhelmed now. I have way too many options. Sometimes it's just easier when you grab one eyeshadow and you're like, okay, this is what I'm gonna use. It's great. It looks like this shade has a little bit of shimmer-ish sheen to it, so let's pop that on the lid of this eye right now. Ooh, yes. If that isn't a Christmassy green, bitch. So we're packing that on the mobile lid, the mobile eyelid, meaning this movable part of your eyelid. Really pretty. The fact that it has a little shimmer to it makes it a lot easier to work with. Ooh, I wonder if I should get the brush wet. Makes it a little bit more metallic-y. Okay, and we're gonna take that same color and we're gonna put it on the bottom of this eye. A little spritz. Beautiful, stunning, amazing, gorgeous. For the red, I mean, this is an option. That's too coppery. Not what we're going for today. I think I'm gonna use Blood Sugar from the Blood Sugar palette. This color is just so perfect. Gonna take Blood Sugar on the lower of the opposite eye. Now I'm gonna take a clean brush, and to blend out the green, I'm gonna use this shade from the NYX Ultimate Brights. I'm just blending out this edge right here. I'm going like all the way up to my brow bone. I find that my eyeshadow, I usually will get more compliments, and I just tend to like it better when I just put more on, like make it bigger, blow it out more. Just more is more. And we're just gonna do the same exact thing on the lower of this eye. It's really low right now. Don't worry, we can clean it up a little bit. I think to blend out the red, I'm gonna use Lydia right here from the Beetlejuice palette. It's like an orangey red with a little bit of gold glitter in it, which will probably just blend away into nothing. But the reason why I'm picking a color like this, an orangey red, is because if I were to go in with like something like that, it blends out and it's like a blue based red, and it's going to look pink when it mixes with your primer and stuff. So if you really don't want a pink red, go with an orangey one. You know what? I wonder if I should have gotten Blood Sugar wet with some setting spray like I did for the other eye. I'm gonna do that. I just pick up the product on the brush and then I spritz the brush. Because sometimes if you spritz the brush and then dip in, you can ruin the eyeshadow. Okay, there we go. Getting a little bit more of that metallic sheen to it. I'm like looking for the eyeshadow, like where did it go? It's in your hand, bitch. So how's all your guys' holidays going? I know it looks like I'm like the biggest Christmas bitch over here right now, and you're probably like, Alice, what? I thought you were cool. You were wrong. Have I started Christmas shopping? No. Do I always wait for the last minute? Yes. Do I always tell myself not to do that? Yes. Do I always do it anyway? Yes. I am going to take a black shadow. This is Noir from the ABH Sultry palette. And get a little teeny brush like that. And we are going to pack that along the lash line, aka push liner. So I'm not like dragging across or anything, I'm literally just pushing the pigment in. And then I'm just gonna take the teensiest little brush and kind of blend that out a tiny bit. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do white in my waterline. Do I wanna do that? I'm gonna try it out. This is the LA Colors Jumbo Eye Pencil in Seashells. Do we like that or do we hate it? I don't know. I'm gonna take a little black on the same tiny little brush and put that on the lower lash line as well. And for this, I'm not really doing like the push action. I am kind of just gently scrubbing back and forth. Okay, I'm starting to hate that white that we put in the waterline. It's a no for me, dog. I'm gonna wipe that off with a Q-tip. Yeah, let's just go in with black. This is Black Market by Urban Decay. Yeah, I like that much better, you guys. What do you think? Okay, so we've got a little bit of fallout action, mostly from that green and the black. So let's get that off really quick. Let's prime. I'm gonna use the glow drops again because I think it's nice. Definitely smells good. Wait, I already used a hydrating primer spray, so I'm gonna do a pore filling primer instead. This is the Benefit Professional. Alright, next I have another item from Pacifica that I really want to try out. This is the Rainbow Crystals Liquid Mineral Strobe. It looks like a beautiful, stunning, like white liquidy highlight. And usually when it comes to these like liquid highlighter thingies, I don't have very much luck putting them on top of my foundation. So what I'm gonna do is put it under and see if we can glow to the gods that way. Wow, this doesn't smell good at all. Just gonna buff that in a teensy bit. Oh. You know what? Maybe this would work over foundation. It's like powdery. Like it's drying to like a powdery kind of finish. Like it's not like sticky and goopy, and like maybe it wouldn't remove your foundation. That is pretty. This would probably be great for no makeup days, am I right? Or does it look a little crazy? You guys can tell me, it's okay. For foundation, I'm going to use this combo right here. This is the CYO Life Proof Foundation and then the Maybelline 24 Hour. And for this, I always go in with a brush first, just so I can smear the foundation quickly all over my face. And then smooth it out with a blender sponge. So let's see, can we see a little bit of the sheen left over from that highlighter? It's a little noticeable in real life, but it's probably more of an on top of foundation kind of thing. And then I'm just taking a tapered kind of blending brush like this, just to blend out the concealer. I find that using a brush like this, it's easier to get close under the eyes. And then again, we can just take our sponge, just smooth out any brush strokes. Okay, so I'm just gonna contour and set and do brows and stuff like that, and then I'll be right back. It's just kind of boring and I do the same thing every time, so. What color highlight would go good with a look such as this? I feel like a bright white or maybe like a goldy. I want to try this white one right here from the Marin Cool Highlight Pro palette. Ooh, yes. Oh, that is lovely. It's like a little white though. Like, I mean, yeah, it's a white highlighter, duh. Is it leaving like a little bit of like an ashy white cast on my face? Possibly. Let's take a little bit on a tiny brush right here. Tip of the nose. It is so pigmented. Let's do right here. This is like the shallowest part of the bridge of my nose. So I like to highlight that just to bring it out a little bit. Take the teensiest little bit and put that right under the highest part of the arch, under the eyebrow. This freaking highlighter packs a punch, dude. And then a little bit on the inner corner. I'm mixing these two. These are really pigmented, so try to be careful. And I like to bring my blush like pretty close to my nose. Kind of want to do like a little bit of a blush topper thing, so I'm gonna dip into these two by Profusion just to really make my cheeks glow. Gonna lock all that in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Cherry Scented. Okay, so there's a lot of different lip options that you can do with this look. A nude would look absolutely adorable. A bright red would be great. I've got this dark metallic green liquid lipstick here that I think I'm gonna use. This is by LA Splash and it is called Envy. All right, and here is the finished look. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I'm really glad that I went with this lip. I was thinking of doing black, but this way we have the nice dark vampy effect and it's still very on theme. It's unique, you know? Anyway, you guys, let me know what you guys, let me know what you guys think of the look down in the comments below. I absolutely love hearing from you, and I hope you're all having an absolutely amazing holiday season so far. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.